Siapa? Ahmad Halimudin. Oke.
Okay, can you see the presentation of mine?
Yeah. Okay. Please.
Okay, thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to present our research in here, entitled with a study of the random order mechanism for uncertain preferences in the stable marriage problem. Okay. So, usually when we talk about the stable marriage problem in mathematics, economics, or computer science is kind of a problem in two-side matching to find a stable matching between two set of agents, for example, men and women, where the size of men and women is equal, where each man usually has an order preference over a woman and vice versa. So usually in the general study of stable marriage problem, they already determine the preference of each other. For example, the men already decide the preference order of women and vice versa. So stable marriage problem can be solved using the Gill-Shapley algorithm. It was introduced in for the first time by Gill and Shapley in 1962. So this Gill-Shapley able to find the stable match between two equal size. So the question is, what if some agents have more than one preference? The preference is in uncertainty. For example, maybe the one agent, for example, one man has kind of a dog with a woman. For example, why I should choose the woman number one, and then why I should choose woman number two. Sometimes they change the preference, so it has the uncertainty in the preference. And then how to find the stability if the agent's preference is more than one. So this is the main focus of our research when we dealing the uncertainty preference with stable marriage problem. Okay, our proposed solution in here is we want to using the random order mechanism when we are dealing the uncertain preference in stable marriage problem. Okay, this is the stable marriage problem we want to show about the preview about the stable marriage problem itself. So a matching of the problem can be set stable if the set of the matching doesn't form a blocking pair. The blocking pair itself is the condition when there is a man and a woman like each other than their current partner. For example, in this picture, we already have the matching in here. Man number one pair with woman number one, and then man number two with woman number three, and then man number three with woman number two, and man number four with woman number four. So in here, we said this pair is stable because we cannot found the blocking pair in here. So if we are using the man number two with woman number two, and then man number three with woman number three, that kind of pair will form a blocking pair because man number two and woman number three is more like each other than their current partner. So it is said not stable in this condition. So in our problem we dealing with the uncertain preference in here. So we want to use the random order mechanism because when we are using the Gale-Shapley algorithm, the matching that produced by the Gale-Shapley algorithm will always remain same, even we are doing any time, uh, the stable matching that produced by the Gale-Shapley algorithm will remain same. But if we are using the random order mechanism, we will have some option of stable match with with distribution of the probability of each stable match. So the random order mechanism itself proved that the stable matching is always obtained even in arbitrary matching. And then this work by Rod van de is also admitted by the Jinpeng Ma, but about this work that this mechanism also always obtain the stable matching. However, Jinpeng Ma also claimed that the stable matching possibility will never be obtained by using this random order mechanism. So this is the simple analogies when we are using the random order mechanism in here. So for example, if we have a set of agents with equal size, men and women, so we need to generate a match between men and women randomly, so that we have n pairs are formed. Then we are selecting one blocking pair between that match. For example, let's say man number 1 and woman number 1 as a selected blocking pair. Then let the rest of the agent form a queue in the randomly order. So we need to create a room for stable matching process and let the selected blocking pair, which is man number 1 and woman number 1, to enter the room. In this condition, man number 1 and woman number 1 will be stable because there are no other option. And then for the step number 3, we ask the one agent who is at the front of the queue to enter the room. And then we are using the Gale-Shapley algorithm to find a stable match among all the agents inside the room. The room will remain closed before a stable matching is achieved in the room. So the room that already we created, we ask one agent to enter the room, and then they will perform a matching one by one until in the step number 1, until there are no remaining queues and the stable matching is obtained, and a stable matching will obtain without any blocking pair. So this random order mechanism actually still based on the Gale-Shapley algorithm, but it is performed in arbitrary. So stability in uncertain preference. In classical stable marriage problem, a match can be set as a stable if no blocking pair found. However, in uncertain preferences means that probably we have more than one preferences, and then there will be more than stable match. So sometimes one match is stable in preference 1, and then sometimes another match is cannot stable in another preference. So we need to find the most stable match. To find the most stable match, we use the stable match which have the most number of stable agent against all possible preference. So for example, if we have more than one preference, we need to decide which match that able uh, to being stable in all of preferences that possible. So for example, in here we have the preference. We have 3 men and 3 women in here. For example, each man already decide their preference order, and then also the woman also already decide their preference order. But in this study, we let man number one have uncertain preference. For example, we have this man number one have six uncertain preferences. So in this uh, in this condition, actually we can say that we have 6 instances. So we need to solve each instance to get the stable matching. So in here, for all these 6 instances, actually we will find 4 unique stable matching by using the random order mechanism. So this one is matching number 1, and then matching number 2, matching number 3, and then matching number 4. The 6 instances will obtain 4 unique stable matching. So when we are using the random order mechanism, the instance number 1 will obtain matching number 1 and matching number 3. And then when we are using the Gall-Shapley original algorithm by main proposing set, we have this one, only matching number 3. And then by using Gall-Shapley woman proposing set, we have this one. So by using random order mechanism, matching number 1 appear in all instances in here. And then also by using the Gall-Shapley algorithm in woman proposing side, matching number 1 also appear in all preferences. So it can be said for temporary, the matching number 1 is the most stable one in here. So in here, we can say that the Gall-Shapley algorithm by woman proposing side is better, but the problem is we don't know when we are dealing with the uncertain preference. We don't know when we are using the men proposing side or woman proposing side. But when we are using the random order mechanism, we have the probability of the stable match in here. So the probability of matching number 1 appear is half, then matching number 3 also in here. So we need to find the probability of stability by using the Bayesian in here. So of each instance, by for each stable match, we need to calculate the probability of stability for each instance here, and then we get this one by using the random order mechanism. By using the random organism, we have the matching number 1 is probability of matching number 1 is 0.5, and then in Gall-Shapley algorithm, when using man proposing side is 0 probability, and then when using the Gall-Shapley algorithm with woman proposing side is 1, and then the other one is 0.162 and 155, 51 and 182. So like I said before, the Gall-Shapley woman proposing side is better in here, but like I said before, we don't know when we want to using the woman proposing side and the man proposing side. So we are using the random order mechanism in here, so we know the probability and then make sure. And then we also need to know the stability character of a matching in here. We introduce the stability character of matching when dealing with uncertain preferences. We have two stability character in here. The first one is a full
It's
stable.
4:30.
If a match is stable against all instances that appear, it is called to have a full stable character. And then X probability stable, a matching has the character X probability if it is unable to be stable against all instances that occur. X is represents the probability value of matching being stable in all instances. Okay, the conclusion is random order mechanism can be utilized to find stable match with uncertain preferences. So it can dealing with this condition. And then when the random order mechanism is used, the stable match generated are more varied. So it means that more than one rather than instead when we are using the original Gal-Shapley algorithm, and then providing a more detailed probability of stability. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ahmad, for the very interesting presentation. Is there, I can allow one question before we wrap up this session? Is there anyone want to ask this about this paper? Okay, I think I'm gonna ask one simple question. So it's kind of like a marriage problem, is it right, Ahmad? Like, so do you think like this can be replicated easily to another kind of relationship, like I don't know, like another dating, or maybe like another one man and woman relationship, not a marriage? What do you think about that?
Actually, this problem is usually used in some kind of not kind of dating, real dating relationship between men and women in the real life. But this is only kind of the name of problem that Shapley state. Usually, this algorithm or this method can be solved in the economics field. For example, when we are dealing with the college admission problem, like in Indonesia, for example, SNMPTN or SNMPTN, like that. So it's usually how to find a stable match between for example, the company and the worker, like that. So not for the matching like Tinder, like not like that. So it's usually for some kind of rather than the real life dating.